Hello everyone, welcome to another short review just before Christmas 2020. Today we have a look at a new charger for your GoPro Hero 9 Black, so the one which has a display in front. I don't know how many batteries this version contains. However, if you purchase the one from GoPro, you will get an extra battery, and that's about for 50 bucks. This one here costs 50 bucks, and I'm not 100% sure if this charges 2 or 3 batteries. We will find out, and we'll have a look at the build quality and so on. Get your free bonus. I don't know what that is. Warranty card, a brief information about the product, also in English. So the original battery by GoPro has 1720 milliamperes and the duplicate has 1800 milliamperes, and you get 3 of them instead of 1. There's an extra USB-C charging cable included as well. Side by side, that's the duplicate, that's the original version. With the original version, you can charge up to 2 batteries at the same time. You have 2 little LEDs at the top which indicate about the process of charging. And with the duplicate one, you can charge up to 3 batteries at the same time. Regarding the build quality, my personal opinion is that the original GoPro Hero 9 dual battery charger feels a bit more valuable than the duplicate by Vemico. Ladies and gentlemen, let's have a look if we can charge all of these batteries using both dual battery chargers. So that is the original one, that is the duplicate one by Vemico. Here's the original GoPro Hero 9 battery. Let's plug that in. Let's use one of their batteries. With the original one, you have 2 LEDs. They turn green once both batteries are fully charged, or either one of them. The duplicate one has a strong blue LED at the back side. And let's have a look. So that's the original GoPro Hero 9 battery. 1, 2, 3. And here at the front side, you have 3 LEDs in red at the moment since we're charging. And I bet they turn green once the batteries are fully charged. So what's the main difference between those 2 battery chargers? Well, with the original one, you can charge up to 2 batteries at the same time, while you can charge 3 batteries at the same time using the one by Vemico. Another advantage of this one here is that once you travel and you have to charge your batteries using a power bank in your backpack, it's probably more safe to do it with this one here since it can be closed. While with this one here, you might drop your batteries while you're walking and they are stored in your backpack. Regarding the build quality, as I said, this one here, the original one, feels a bit more valuable than this one here. And regarding the charging time, I have no idea how long these batteries need to take once they are fully charged, but I will display it right now in the video. So the only thing we need to find out now is if these batteries are working with the GoPro Hero 9 Black. So let's put them in. And is the GoPro turning on? Yes, it is working, as you can see, so no problem at all. So the same price, as I said, 50 bucks, 50 bucks. Original one, duplicate one. The original one comes with 1 additional battery, and it only can charge 2 batteries at the same time with a lower capacity. So this one here comes with 1720 milliamperes, the extra battery. While the duplicate one features 3 slots, comes with 3 additional batteries, which all of them feature 1800 milliamperes instead of 1720. If you travel a lot, you may consider to get this one since you can close it, and once it's stowed in your backpack while you charge it with a power bank, I guess this one here is more useful. Regarding the build quality, my personal impression is that the one by GoPro is more valuable than this one here. If you would like to support my channel, feel free to purchase any of these. The link is listed in the video description. All the best from Frankfurt am Main, Germany. Merry Christmas and see you very soon. Goodbye. Tschüss.